Avanti Deshpande. I'm a PCOS and a gut health expert, and in today's video we are going to try to understand whether ketogenic diet is an effective diet if you have PCOS. A ketogenic is a high fat diet where about 75% of your calories come from fat, 25% of your calories in the diet come from protein, and the remaining 5 to 10% come from carbohydrates. So do not confuse ketogenic diet as a low carb diet. It is a high fat, moderate protein and then a low carb diet. Because the body is not getting glucose as a source of energy, it turns to burn fat in the form of ketone bodies, and that is used as a source of energy in ketogenic diet. In PCOS, we look at balancing the hormones. So losing weight is just one part of managing the PCOS problem. What you need to understand is you need to balance your hormones, and that is more important than just losing weight in PCOS. So let me just tell you what is my take on whether you should be following a ketogenic diet if you are having PCOS. Our large intestine is made up of millions of bacteria which are known as the gut bacteria, and these are the good bacteria which help us to improve the digestion of food, synthesize nutrients, improve your immunity, and also balance your hormones and reduce inflammation. This is exactly what you need to achieve in managing your PCOS problem. So if you are following a ketogenic diet which is high on non-vegetarian foods or high in fat, it affects the gut microbiome. Unfortunately, there is a dysbiosis, there is a decrease in the good bacteria, and as a result of that, the PCOS symptoms might worsen if you're following a ketogenic diet. So aim at improving your gut bacteria, which will happen through eating proper balanced meals, improving probiotics, and then taking more prebiotics in your diet. And ketogenic diet necessarily might not give you this outcome. The second thing is that the ketogenic diet is a rather restrictive diet. This leads to the adrenal glands to sometimes produce a lot of cortisols. Now when there is a high level of circulating cortisols, there is an increased inflammation, or there could also be a result of increased insulin resistance, which is not a good news for PCOS. This will also lead to the increase in the visceral fat, which we don't want in the case of PCOS. So that is one more reason why I would say that you should not be following a ketogenic diet if you have PCOS. The third point is that ketogenic diet may lack in certain micronutrients. Since we are limiting fruits or certain fiber-rich foods which also have carbohydrates in the diet, it might lead to certain micronutrient deficiencies. I agree, like if you start taking supplements, you might get the micronutrients in the form of supplements, but whatever is naturally available through the food is missed out in the ketogenic diet. Now in PCOS, because we are trying to heal the body, we are trying to detox the important organs like the liver and the kidney, it is very important that there is comfort given to the body, and that is why giving micronutrients is also very important. That is the third reason I feel ketogenic diet is not all that effective if you have PCOS. In PCOS, what we try to achieve is something which we call as a lifestyle management rather than just losing weight. So if you are following a ketogenic diet, often what is going to happen is you might want to go back to eating your routine food. As a result of that, a lot of people might put on weight because they don't know how to transition better. Because of this, whatever weight you have lost by following a ketogenic diet, if it is not done under a proper guided advice, you might just put on the same weight that you have lost and also end up putting even more weight. Because of this, it's very important that you make the lifestyle changes in managing the PCOS rather than following any kind of fat diets, and especially. Finally, if I have to give my verdict whether ketogenic diet is suitable for PCOS, I will say do not look at ketogenic diet to manage PCOS. Look at gut healing, look at detoxing, which is your liver, your intestine and your kidney, and look at lifestyle change with your regular diet, detoxing your body, which will give you far better benefits over a longer period of time rather than having short diets which are short-lived and have specific names like ketogenic diet. So you take your call, take care of your health, and please manage PCOS much better than just following any fad diets.